Hello students, I hope that you're doing good. Welcome back to our maths class. So we will be using the MIE book part 2. Take out your copybook and be ready with your pencil case. Page 12 of the book. Question number 13. We are going to work it out together. A bottle contains 60 centiliters of milk. Dans une bouteille, on a 60 centiliters of milk. Mother uses 45 centiliters of it to make yogurt. Maman utilise combien? 45 centiliters. Donc, on avait 60 centiliters. Maman utilise 45 centiliters. How much milk is left in the bottle? So, what is the first step according to you? Yes, we should underline important and keyword. So, over here, we should underline 60 centiliters and 45 centiliters. And then we should underline the word left. L-E-F-T, left. So, when you see the word left, what comes to your mind? It means that we should subtract. We should minus. Very good. Let us work this out together. 60 centiliters is 0 units and 6 tenths. And 45 centiliters is 5 units and 4 tenths. Do not forget to write centiliters and to put the plus sign, the minus sign, the minus sign, I repeat. Now, you should start to work with the units column. 0 minus 5. Can we minus 5 from 0? No, we cannot. What should we do? We should go and borrow from the tenths column. When we borrow from the tenths column, 6 becomes 5 and it sends 1/10 to the units column. 1/10 is 10 units. So now we have 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. And in the tenths column we have 5 minus 4. It gives us 1. So the answer is 15 centiliters. 15 centiliters of milk left in the bottle. 60 centiliters minus 45 centiliters is equal to 15 centiliters. Let us observe example 1 now. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters, isn't it? Now, 2 liters. In 2 liters, we have 1 liter plus 1 liter. So, it is 100 centiliters plus 100 centiliters gives us 200 centiliters. Follow on the board. Follow with me. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 2 liters. If 1 liter is 100 centiliters, then 2 liter is 200 centiliters. 3 liters is equal to 300 centiliters. 4 liters is equal to 400 centiliters. 5 liters is equal to 500 centiliters. 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. 7 liters is equal to 700 centiliters. 8 liters is equal to 800 centiliters, and 9 liters is equal to 900 centiliters. Let us repeat it again. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 2 liters is equal to 200 centiliters. 3 liters is equal to 300 centiliters. 4 liters is equal to 400 centiliters. 5 liters is equal to 500 centiliters. 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. 7 liters is equal to 700 centiliters. 8 liters is equal to 800 centiliters. And lastly, 9 liters is equal to 900 centiliters. So in 2 liters we have 100 plus 100 because 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter. So 2 liters will be 100 centiliter plus 100 centiliters. It will be 200. But this way it is easier for you to memorize. Recite this at home 2 times. As homework, you will have to work out exercise 14 for me. 4 liters is equal to 400 centiliters. 5 liters. You will have to write how many centiliters, and the same for 9 liters. So work it out in your copybook. Now look at example 2. We have to expand and to add. 2 liters 50 centiliters is equal to how many centiliters? So the answer should be in centiliters. 2 liters, how many centiliters? It is 200 centiliters plus the 50 centiliters that we have. It is 250 centiliters. Follow on the board. So we have 2 liters, 50 centiliters is equal to how many centiliters? 2 liters is 200 centiliters and 50 centiliters is 50 centiliters. Then you draw the columns, hundreds, tens, units. You add 200 with 50. 200 plus 50 is equal to 250 centiliters. Let us try to work out the exercises now. We are going to work out question number 15a on the board together. So it is 6 liters 25 centiliters is equal to how many centiliters? We should proceed the same way. We have 6 liters 25 centiliters is equal to blank centiliters. So 6 liters is how many centiliters? Yes, 600 centiliters plus the 25 centiliters. You draw the columns, you work out. Units column 0 plus 5. 5. Tens column 0 plus 2. 2. Hundreds column 6 plus 0. 6. So work it out in your copybook. And the answer is 625 centiliters. Now let us work out part B. So part B we have 8 liters 10 centiliters. So 8 liters is 800 centiliters plus 10 centiliters. Let's work it out together. You have to draw the columns. As you can see, 8 liters is 800 centiliters. Then you have to add the 10 centiliters. 800 plus 10 centiliters, work it out. Is your answer the same as mine? 8 liters 10 centiliters is equal to 810 centiliters. Now let us work out part C. Part C we have 7 liters 70 centiliters is equal to blank centiliters. 7 liters, how many centiliters? 700 centiliters. Then we have to add the 70 centiliters in order to obtain the right answer. Let us work it out together. So 700 centiliters plus 70 centiliters is equal to 770 centiliters. This is how it should be in your copybook with the workings as well. That is the calculation part. As homework, you try out this activity. Question number 16, part A. 3 liters is equal to how many centiliters? Yes, 300 centiliters. 6 liters, 600 centiliters. Now for part C and for part D, you have to add. Because we have liters and centiliters, you have to convert into centiliters and then add. Very easy. Try it in your copybook. Now page 13, we are going to follow 2 examples. And then I'm going to explain on the board. Example number 1. 2 liters plus 45 centiliters is equal to how many centiliters? We have to convert 2 liters into centiliters. 2 liters is 200 centiliters. Yes, and then we have to add the 45 centiliters. So 200 centiliters plus 45 centiliters is equal to 245 centiliters. Example number 2. We have 4 liters minus 200 centiliters. Now 4 liters, 200 centiliters. We have to convert the liters into centiliters. 4 liters is 400 centiliters. Then we take 400, we minus 200, it gives us 200. 400 centiliters minus 200 centiliters is equal to 200 centiliters. Follow on the board in order to understand this better. If we have 5 liters plus 32 centiliters, how are we going to work it out? We have to turn the 5 liters into centiliters. Let us do it together. So 5 liters is equal to 500 centiliters. Then we have to add 32 centiliters. You draw the columns, you work it out. Units column 0 plus 2, 2. Tens column 0 plus 3, 3. Hundreds column 5 plus 0, 5. 5 liters plus 32 centiliters is equal to 532 centiliters. Now we have to do this exercise. We have 6 liters minus 400 centiliters. How to proceed? We have to convert 6 liters into centiliters. So 6 liters, how many centiliters? 600 centiliters. You should proceed step by step. 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. Then you have to minus the 400 centiliters. You draw the columns. You write 600 centiliters. Do not forget to put the minus sign minus 400 centiliters. Units column, 0 minus 0, 0. Tens column, 0 minus 0 again, it's 0. And hundreds column, we have 6 minus 4. It gives us 2. So the answer is 200 centiliters. Note this down in your copybook. We have come to the end of our maths class. Practice the liters, the conversion of liters into centiliters, and do the homework given. Stay home, stay safe. See you tomorrow.